Hello guys! As promised, mag-unbox na naman tayo ng mga lip products today from Korea. So, I have several here. So, mag-unbox tayo guys. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano uunahin ko. So guys, I have here lippies from Lily by Red. Meron ditong Sweet Liar, meron ditong Mood Liar, meron ditong Juicy Liar. Andito rin yung mga shades nila. So, meron tayong Rose Custard, meron tayong Elegant Wildberry, Orange Margarita, and Pure Apricot. So, first nating bubuksan is yung Rose Custard. So, this is how it looks like. Ooh! So, yung mga ganito guys, yung parang nagte-taper yung color niya. Na-attract ako dito kasi I feel like parang sila, yung matte finish na something. So, gusto ko kasi guys, medyo not oily, but at the same time, moisturized pa din. But at the same time, alam mo yun, parang may pagka-matte, parang natural finish lang siya. Tapos, yung next is yung Elegant Wildberry. Ayan. Ooh, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Yung isa is Orange Margarita. Alam niyo naman, guys, gusto orange. Gusto ko yan. Ay, cute. Look at that. So, feeling ko itong orange margarita parang parang medyo moisturizing to or mas oily. So, yung next guys ay yung pure apricot. So, I'm gonna open that here. Ooh, ganyan siya guys. And same sila. Ito lang yung naiiba guys, yung si orange margarita. Swatch natin guys, tingnan natin. Wow, that is like parang ganyan siya, guys. Oh, parang, I don't know how to describe it. Parang siyang, it's almost like a cream. Ito, guys, yung Lily by Red natin. So, guys, itong tatlo, velvet tint sila. So, I guess, velvet parang may pagka-matte, may pagka-smooth texture, and hindi masyadong oily. Itong last, yung last guys is si Orange Margarita is water tint. And true enough, parang watery siya. Yung mga velvet tint na ito, parang may pagka-creamy. And then yung water tint, medyo like watery nga siya. But at the same time, may body pa rin siya. Ito yung Rose Custard. Yan po yung color niya. And then yung second po is yung Wild Berry natin, I think. Yes. And then after that, yung Pure Apricot. And then after that, Orange Margarita. Maglalagay tayo ng Pure Apricot para makita lang natin how it looks like. So, ilalagay ko yung Pure Apricot dito sa side ng lips natin. Konti lang ako maglagay. Hindi natin alam kung gaano siya ka-pigmented. So, lagyan pa natin guys para ma-notice ninyo or makita talaga ninyo yung difference. Ganyan. Ay, cute nito. I love this. I'm liking this, no? Yan, ganyan siya, guys. After that, guys, yung next is the Orange Margarita. Lalagay natin siya dito sa dito. My God, I think super orange nito. Tingnan natin. Ay, in fair. Alam niyo yun, guys. Para kayong kumain ng kiamoy. And amoy niya para siyang orange talaga. Para siyang orange margarita. Ayan. So, titignan natin to in a different lighting. So, ayan guys. Ito yung ating lip tint from Lily by Red. So, hindi po ito sponsored guys, no? So, yung mga lip tints natin. Ito is Pure Apricot here. And then this is Orange Margarita. I like both actually. So, yun guys. I hope you enjoyed. For more acne tips, follow me at Basta Acne DMD. Bye!